Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool clear border on CapCut PC. So go to library and add in this white video and add it on top of, white picture, and add it on top of that. And then I'm going to select mask and select rectangle, and I'm going to select the invert button. And I'm just going to, make a frame like so. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to basic and just select the overlay mode, and that is basically it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.